This is a 2015 Subaru Crosstrek. On this car, AC is not blowing cold. In this video, we're going to replace the AC compressor, which is located right here. The reason we're replacing the compressor, although it seems to be working okay, is the AC system has a leak, and using some AC ultraviolet UV dye, we see traces of dye appearing on this compressor wheel or pulley. So this means that they're getting past the seals on the compressor shaft, and we're just going to replace this compressor to eliminate this leak. First step, even though we think that most of the refrigerant has leaked out already, is we're going to suck out any remaining refrigerant using a AC recovery machine. Next, we take this plastic cover off right here. It's just held on with a 10mm bolts. Here's the cover, and on this side it has a pin that goes in right here. You can pop it out. With the cover out of the way, we're going to remove the belt. The tensioner pulley is right down here. It has a 14mm bolt. Put a ratchet on it and just push it this way. This releases the tension from the belt. I'm also going to remove this bracket right here. It has two bolts. One is here and the other is here. Next, I disconnect both AC lines, suction line and high pressure line. They each have a 10mm bolt. This harness line has to be unclipped from the flange. It has a little clip, plastic clip right down here. You can use a small screwdriver to press it and pull it off. With this line unclipped, and you can see the clip right here, I can now disconnect this clutch. I think I just press right there and pull it off, just like that. Now I have three bolts that hold this compressor down. There's one right here, there's one back here, there's one that's kind of hard to see. You reach it through here. There it is. It's right down there. Here's the compressor, and by the way, it has one more hidden bolt that is down here, and it's also 14mm hex head, just like the three others. But they're different lengths, these bolts, so keep them in order so you know which one goes which. Now, an important thing to note is there are two different types of compressor for this same car. I don't know why that is, but you need to read the compressor type off of this label, this on the compressor, and then you want to match it with the same type of new compressor. The code on the compressor, you can see it right here. It can be either DKV10Z or Zebra, or it can be DKV10R as in Roger. And you just gotta order the correct one. The model number that you want to match, you can see it right here. It's 73111FJ040. Now the other model can end with 030, but you want to get a new compressor that's compatible with this 040 model. The compressor that is listed as compatible with my 040 compressor is this one. I'll include a link to it in the video description. And it looks pretty similar. The construction is just a little bit different, but that's often the case with aftermarket compressors. One thing I always do without fail with a new compressor is I check whether it has oil in it, and I do that just by spinning the clutch by hand and draining the compressor out. And this is what came out. It did have about 3 ounces in it, but it's sort of weird and emulsified. I don't know, it's not very confidence inspiring. So anyway, I'm gonna refill this compressor with 3 ounces of fresh Pod 46. For this particular compressor, I've mounted it first, then I use this measuring cup and a little funnel to fill it through the suction side, and I pour just a little bit at a time and turn the clutch by hand each time, and after about 3 ounces it started to come out the other side, so this means that it pre-filled to about the right level. And while I'm at it replacing the compressor, I've replaced the belt. This is the serpentine belt. I'll include a link. And in case you need the belt routing straight from the AC compressor to the alternator, back to the tensioner pulley, down to the crankshaft, up around the idler pulley and back down to the bottom there, and then back up to the compressor. Everything is back together. The sound that you can hear is this little vacuum pump that is putting the system under vacuum, and we're going to hold it there for about 45 minutes. Make sure there are no leaks before refilling the system, then it'll be good to go. The system is now charged up. You can see high side pressure is a little bit over 200, and the low side pressure is about 35 psi, and it's cooling nicely on the inside. The temperature in the cabin is in the high 40s, which is a good place for it. So that's it for this video. We've completed the repair. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any questions, please leave them underneath.